Hi, I'm Brett. I'm here to show you some of the awesome STEAM boxes we've made for this Maker March. The one I've got here with me now is our Dinosaur Escape Game Kit for ages 4 and up. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So first things first, we have this nice sheet. This shows us what's in the kit so you don't lose any pieces when you return it. This right here is the instructions. It explains the rules of the game. It's a cooperative game where you and some friends will try and escape to Dinosaur Island before a volcano goes off. It's a really cool and interesting story, and it has, much like Mousetrap, it has this volcano that is built over the course of the game. And eventually, when the volcano is completely built, it will explode. It's just a really, really cool concept that will teach kids a lot about dinosaurs and about the world they lived in. And as you can see, it has some really lovely and interesting art. It's a really cool game with lots of fun tokens for kids. And as I said before, ages 4 and up, it's a really, really fun kit for family game nights. This is our Big Spender Kit. It's an awesome math kit for young ones. It's for ages 5 and up. It's a great kit to introduce kids to monetary transactions and just to learn more about money and addition and subtraction. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So first things first, of course, we have our sheet that explains what's in the kit so you can make sure everything is accounted for when you bring it back. Then next, we have this awesome toy cash register that has a functioning solar-powered calculator in it so that kids can really practice adding together. Next, we have this wonderful wallet that is chock full of play money of a number of different denominations, as well as coins and different credit cards and even a driver's license. The next thing in this kit are these money puzzles, which, as you can see, are very simple. They're simply the denominations, and then you would break them apart, and the kids, while playing, would match them together. So it's a really awesome kit to introduce this, to kind of like play with these concepts, and I think it would just be a lot of fun for you guys. This is our Zoetrope Animation Kit for ages 6 and up. Let's just take a look inside. It's really cool. First things first, you're going to have this little sheet that shows all of the components that are included in the kit, so you can make sure you get everything back to us. Next is the Zoetrope device itself. This is an animation device. You might have seen something like this at a museum or somewhere, but a bigger version. This is a small version for you to play with making your own animations. As you can see, a bunch of paper slips are included. Several of them are blank, so you can make your own illustrations and make your own stop motion animations. But however, there are also some really nice pre-drawn images as well. And if you just slide those in, you can actually just play and see how it works. And it's just as easy as that. Like I said before, it's a really cool kit. This is some of the earliest animation, and it's a neat piece of old technology. So come and check it out. Thanks.